Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 17, that is inequalities. So in the first question, it is given that x belongs to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So find the solution set of each of the following inequations. Yes. So there is an inequation which is given to you, that is 2x is greater than 5. So 2x is not equals to 5, it is greater than 5. So x is greater than 5 by 2. Or one more alternative is here. You divide each of the number by 2. If you divide this number by 2 and this number by 2, you will get x is greater than 2.5. So this is the set which is given to you. So the numbers which are greater than 2.5 are 3, 4 and 5. Clear? So question number 2 is also same. So I am coming to question number 3, that is 3 minus 12x is greater than minus 21. Minus 12x is greater than minus 21 minus 3. Minus 12x is greater than minus 24. Here minus sign is here and there is also a minus sign. So minus 1 is multiplied on both the sides. If a negative integer is multiplied on both the sides, this sign will reverse. That means 12x is less than 24. Here it is greater than, but here it is less than, because minus 1, which is a negative integer, is multiplied on both the sides. Therefore, the sign is not here and this sign will reverse. So here this is greater than will become less than. This happens because these are the properties of inequalities. X is less than 24 by 12, we'll get x is less than 2. So which are the numbers which are less than 2? The numbers are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Now fifth number is same as question number 3. Then I am coming to question number 8, which is 2 by 3 plus x is less than 1 by 6. So x is less than 1 by 6 and 2 by 3 comes here, it will become minus 2 by 3. So just equate this, you will get x is less than minus 0.83. So x will belongs to minus 2 and minus 1. Then question number 2. In question number 2, the solution set is x belongs to n. N means natural numbers. And natural number starts from 1 and it goes to infinity. So 4x is less than 13. X is less than 13 by 4. So you will get x is less than 3.25. So the solution set will be, what are the numbers which are less than 3.25? The numbers are 1, 2, 3. So as question number 1, you will do question number 2 also. And in question number 6, minus 1 by 2 is less than 1 by 4 minus x by 3. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is less than minus x by 3. So here also there is minus sign and here minus sign. So just if we see this type of equation, just multiply minus 1 on both the sides. So what will happen? Minus sign will not here and the sign will reverse. Okay, the sign will reverse. Here it is greater than, it will become less than. So just equate this, you will get 2.25 is less than x. That means x belongs to 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. Then in question number 3, x belongs to z positive. That means set of all positive integers. Okay. So find the solution set. 7x is less than 17. If you equate this, you will get x is less than 2.42. 2.42 means what are the numbers which are less than 2.42? The numbers are 1 and 2. Then question number 2 is same as question number 1. I am coming to question number 6. In question number 6, the question is given to you, that is 2 minus 7x by 29 is less than 5 by 3. If you equate this, you will get minus 7x by 29 is less than 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. So, if there's two signs of minus, just minus 1 is multiplied on both the sides and the sign will reverse. So, you'll get this equation, and x is less than 1.38. Then, what are the numbers which are less than 1.38? The numbers, x is greater than 1.38. So, the numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and up to 10, 11, infinity. So, now I am coming to question number 4. In question number 4, it is given that x belongs to z negative. That means set of all negative integers. So, the number line will become like this. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and up to infinity, minus infinity. So, if you equate this equation, you will get x is greater than minus 4.66. That is, x belongs to minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. So, question number 2 is just like question number 1. And then question number 5. In question number 5, there is a little bit of difference. That is, there are 3 equations or inequations are given to you. And x will belongs to n. That means natural numbers. So, first of all, we take these two and then these two. Okay. 2 is less than x minus 3, this, and then x minus 3 is less than 7. 2 cases are there. So just equate these 2 cases, you will get 2 things. 5 is less than x and x is less than 10. So just combine these 2 equations, you will get 5 is less than x and x is less than 10. So the solution set will be x belongs to 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then I am coming to question number 4 because all the questions are same. So 4 minus 2x is less than 3x plus 19 is less than 42 minus 5x and x belongs to z. Z means set of all integers. Okay. So case 1 is this and case 2. If you just equate these 2 inequations, you will get 2 things. First, minus 3 is less than x and then x is less than 2.875. If you just combine these 2 equations, you will get this one. So that means x is greater than minus 3. What are the numbers which are greater than minus 3? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. And x is less than 2.875. That means up to 2 it will go. So that's all for today's class, and the rest questions will be your homework. So if you have any doubt regarding these questions, you can ask me. Thank you and have a nice day.